In 2015, an estimated 253 million people worldwide were affected by visual impairment. Of this, 36 million were blind and 217 million had moderate to severe visual impairment. With a diminished ability to see, this group would face severe disadvantages in life. For example, simple everyday tasks like moving from their house to the nearby convenience store or reading a book can be nightmares to them. I am Richard Tan, and together with my group mates Daksh, Thapar, and Xuan, we have created a solution to this problem. Let's first dive deeper into our problem. Throughout our research, we found that the visually impaired face multiple societal problems. Firstly, navigation. In places they are familiar with, such as their house, they can move around nearly as well as us as they know it inside out. However, the positions of most things are unknown and unpredictable, making navigation difficult. Next, the access to visual information. Without sight, the visually impaired can only rely on audio or touch to gain information. Currently, accessibility features for the visually impaired are not present in many places, making it challenging to keep up with their counterparts. Lastly, societal stigma. Visually impaired people occasionally have minor incidents due to their inability to see well, but people might perceive this as having a lower intelligence. They might either exclude or act overly helpful towards them, not benefiting the visually impaired person. So we thought to ourselves, how can we allow people with visual impairments to integrate with the world around them more conveniently?
Today I present to you UltiVision. UltiVision takes a revolutionary step forward in bringing the capabilities of visual navigation to the visually impaired, making the world accessible for all. UltiVision uses an intelligent computer vision model powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. 30 times a second, UltiVision's sound map detects everyday objects such as people, doors, vehicles, and animals. It then outputs finely tuned sounds to alert the user of its position and distance. With these sounds, the user is able to visualize the objects around them quickly and efficiently. Now, let's see this in action. We have a simple homepage that allows us to jump to the camera page when tapped. This is our camera page. It takes in live videos and classifies them. As you can see, I am boxed up and my previous class is stated above. Sound, as it targets specific items, sound respective to them will be played. This is our settings page, which allows users to access all sound files and familiarize themselves with the played sound. They can also toggle specific modes, including the skip to camera mode, for more convenient access and modify the model's confidence.
Next, let's talk about our competitors. Besides UltiVision, the people detection feature introduced in iOS 14 by Apple Inc. utilizes LiDAR on iPhones and the ARKit people occlusion capability to detect people and the distance of the device from obstacles. Another solution is IBM's Line Chaser, which helps visually impaired people navigate to the end of a line using audio and vibration signals. A third solution is 3D Sound Maps by Microsoft in 2007, which builds layers of context and detail to generate a dynamic 3D sound map of the environment utilizing location information, sound beacons, and synthetic 3D stereo sound. While these three examples have their strengths, we feel that UltiVision is highly feasible and has the potential to serve our target market better than our competitors, as it provides the most specific details of a person's surroundings in any situation without any additional hardware. When it comes to navigation without sight, the freedom to go anywhere is very crucial and will definitely appeal to the visually impaired. However, there is still much room for improvement and expansion. Future enhancements include implementing the ability to automatically adjust the sound output volume based on the distance from the user to the surrounding objects for more realistic sound maps. With that, we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this presentation and found UltiVision meaningful.